we're making more power with the Coyote engine with a supercharger than it was with the mountain motor, you know, so it's kind of crazy. I'm Chris Holbrook. I build racing engines and I race the NMCA. We started the Coyote engine, you know, back when the Cobra Jet started getting popular. It was a learning curve, that's for sure. But man, they're just incredible engines. You know, Ford did a fantastic job in, you know, these engines and the design. I was actually done racing for a while, and Brian Wolf was the director of Ford Racing at the time. He called me one day and says, "Hey, I think, you know, we need you in a Cobra Jet." Going from Mountain Motor Pro Stock to a stock eliminator car, we designed the 352 combo and the 428 combo for the 2010 Mustangs. And we do a lot of R&D work for Ford Racing, Ford Performance. Going from like a Pro Tree with a clutch to a bottom bulb, you know, off the foot brake, is just big difference, boy. A customer of mine had this car here, and I'm like, Xtreme Street, that actually looks pretty interesting, you know. So I will tell you this: it is not an easy class. It is a tough class, and great competitors and great racing. I really love it. I love the challenge. Racing NMCA, you come over here and everybody's just so nice. It just runs so smooth. The track prep is really great, and it's just a really friendly atmosphere, and it's more like family, and I think that's how racing should be.